Why use a card as your main card, your favorite card, that's designed to make other people rich? What if there was a card that could be for the card holders and not just the corporation? Why can't the money be shared with them? Why not have a card like that that is designed to allow you to make some of this money? When we use our card, or we take it out and we toss it on the table or we show it to someone, we all know that the response is always going to be the same. It's like, wow, that's really, really nice. And I take a look at that. Oh, it's so heavy. You know, you hear it. Oh, it's so loud. Wow, you know. But our ZBlackcard is such a phenomenal product. It's such a phenomenal concept. Certainly can be the vehicle that we use in order to move to the next level and secure all of our financial future.